Okay, so hi everyone. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to place a trade on IC markets in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So first thing we need to do is to open or log in your account in IC Markets Global website and go and the dashboard will show up and go to the accounts, and after that go to the demo accounts. If you still don't have a demo account, you can create a new one. You just have to click this one, and after that, if you're done creating your demo account, you can go to the downloads. Okay, so after that, go to the web trader and just scroll down and click the open web trader. So it will take you to the other tab, and just select the MetaTrader 5 because we're just using that one, and click demo and continue with or to MT5. Okay, so just have to wait for a second. Okay, so after that, you can also this in here in trading accounts, you can connect your account directly here, so you can log in. So where we can get those email and password. So go to the accounts, go back to the IC Markets Global website, and here go to the demo account. This will be the username, and the blurred one is our password. So okay, so after that, guys, you go here in new order. You can select either market execution, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop, buy stop limit. It's up to you guys. You can also add a volume, how many volume you wanted, stop loss, take a profit, and you can also add some comment here. And after filling this, you can tap the buy market or sell by market. So guys, please don't forget to also add a symbol like forex, commodities, and after that the whatever you wanted, guys. So and after by that market, so your order is get your order is ready to go, so it will pop up here. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from this quick tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in IC Markets Global. Thank you.